Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting to share with you. We will be unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3 combo pack, which comes with the mic. I'm excited to show you what's inside this box and also talk about the special feature. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's pop this open and see what's inside. Right on top, we have the DJI Pocket 3 itself. This little guy is super compact, truly pocket size. Let's set that aside for a moment. Now, let's dig into the accessory. In the combo pack, we got a charging cable, pretty standard, a protective case to keep your Pocket 3 safe when you're on the go, the all-important microphone for those who need better audio quality, and of course, some basic documentation like a quick start guide and warranty information. Okay, let's talk about what makes this Pocket 3 so special and why this combo pack is such a great deal. Okay, firstly, let's talk about the camera's quality. This tiny device can shoot at 4K at 60 frames per second. That means you get incredible, smooth, and clear video, perfect for capturing all your adventures in high details. One of my favorite features is the built-in gimbal. This keeps your shots steady no matter how much you're moving around, walking, running, or even biking. The gimbal ensures your videos are smooth and professional looking. The Pocket 3 comes with an Active Track 5.0. Just tap on the screen to select your subject, and the camera will follow it smoothly, keeping it in frame the whole time. This is perfect for vlogging and capturing action shots. This is pretty cool. I'm just playing around with the Active Track. Now let's talk about the audio quality. The Pocket 3 comes with a dual microphone for better sound recording. With the combo pack, you also get an external mic. This is awesome for those times when you need even higher audio quality, like when you're filming in noisy environment or doing interviews. And let's not forget about the battery life. The Pocket 3 gives you up to 140 minutes of shooting time on a single charge. That's plenty of time to capture all your favorite moments without worrying about running out of juice. So there you have it. This compact, powerful device is perfect for beginners and experienced videographer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.